Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic date countdown in Excel, so you can see how many days are left until a specific date, like Christmas, and have it update automatically. Step 1. Count total days until a date. The key is the Today function. It returns the current date. Formula equals Christmas date minus today, open bracket, close bracket. When you press Enter, Excel might display a date instead of a number. To fix this, go to the Home tab and change the cell format to General. Now you'll see the number of days until Christmas, and because we're using today, it updates automatically whenever you open or refresh the workbook. Step 2. Count working days only. To exclude weekends, use the Network Days function. Formula equals network days, open bracket, today, open bracket, close bracket, comma, Christmas date. This will calculate the number of working days until Christmas. Step 3. Exclude bank holidays. If you also want to ignore holidays, create a small table listing all bank holidays between today and Christmas. Add this range to the Network Days function as an extra argument. Formula equals network days, open bracket, today, open bracket, close bracket, comma, Christmas date, comma, holidays range, close bracket. Press Enter and Excel recalculates the working days excluding weekends and holidays. And that's it. You now have a dynamic countdown to any date, with options for calendar days, working days, and holidays. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.